We researched many companies. We liked Renewal by Andersen because we got more window for our buck, and their reputation was astounding.
When we started the installation process through Renewal by Andersen, we went with some amount of skepticism because we had had a really bad experience with a big box store the first time around. We were left with shards of glass literally all over our yard, and one of our brand new windows leaked right away on the first rain. It was a nightmare experience from start to finish. So when we were looking at Renewal by Andersen, we were incredibly impressed with the quality of the product and the level of installer that they had.
The installers were awesome.
First thing they did was completely cover everything and make sure it was protected. They went back, they vacuumed everything. Then they walked us through and asked us to look and asked us if it was okay.
They made sure that we were happy with everything.
What we got from Renewal by Andersen was service and quality and a better view of our backyard, which we love.
We had a couple of uniquely shaped windows that a lot of the competitors said we can't do that one, and Andersen found a way to do it. Each window was custom to what we needed, and that was very important to us.
When we talked to Eric about the Renewal by Andersen windows, he had a heat lamp during his presentation showing the difference in the temperature, how much it transferred through the window. And that was incredibly impressive. So if you're looking to lower your monthly bills, this is a really great way to do it, and it looks good.
I have to say, it really could not have been easier. We got to the end of the process and we kind of felt like this is how it should have been. It was a really great experience and really kind of renewed how we felt a vendor process could be. We love our new windows and doors.